Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rizex Labs SFMC channel. If you are searching for the Salesforce Marketing Cloud certification and you are confused which one to do first, how many certifications are there, which one gets you to hire in India, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, we are going to discuss about the SFMC certification. I'm going to give you the complete picture of every single SFMC certification, what they test, what they cost, which one have the prerequisite and single and which needs to do first, which one actually grow your salary in Indian job market. So let's get into the video. Here is what we are covering today. One, how many SFMC certifications exist and what each one covers. Two, uh, the correct order to take them in 2026. Three, prerequisites for each certification because some of them you cannot take without finishing the another one. Four, which certification gets you higher fastest in India. And five, the salary jump you can realistically expect after completion of the certification. So stay till the end because the salary data and the Indian job market section is something most YouTube videos don't cover, and I am only focusing on that only. So that's where the real value is. Before we start or before we talk about the Salesforce Marketing Cloud certifications, let me give you 60-second context about what Salesforce Marketing Cloud is actually, especially if you are new to this field. Salesforce Marketing Cloud or SFMC is an enterprise level digital marketing platform. It used for companies or it used by company to manage automations in email campaign, automation in customer journey, managing the subscriber data, and run analytics using the Salesforce AI capabilities like Einstein. Companies like TCS, Accenture, Infosys, Deloitte, and hundreds of Salesforce implementation partner use SFMC, which means if you have Salesforce Marketing Cloud skill, you are not just looking at one company for the job. You are looking at entire Salesforce ecosystem for the opportunity. Now let's talk about the certification. Uh, there are exactly 5 certifications under the Salesforce Marketing Cloud engagement track. Let me give you walkthrough along each one of them. Number one certification or base certification is Salesforce Marketing Cloud Engagement Foundation. This is entry level certification. The cost of certification is nearly a $75. This requires zero prior experience. Think it like a starter or beginner track certification that tells employer that you understand SFMC ecosystem. The number two is Salesforce Marketing Cloud Email Specialist. This most popular certification in SFMC world. It costs around $200 and has no prerequisite. If you are looking for the job out in the India, this is most common requested certification in the job postings. Number three is Marketing Cloud Engagement Administrator certification. Also cost nearly $2,000. No prerequisite. This one is for the people who wanted to configure and manage the platform. Uh, Roles like SFMC admin and implementation consultant. Then we have the fourth certification, Marketing Cloud Engagement Consultant. This one cost $200, but it requires admin certification first. So we cannot directly jump to the consultant if we do not have the admin. So this is a senior level certification focused on designing solution for the enterprise clients. Then we have number five certification, Marketing Cloud Engagement Developer. The engagement developer certification also costs nearly $200, but requires email specialist certification first. It has the prerequisite email specialist certification. and this one is for the people who wanted to build the custom solution using the AMP script, SSJS, and APIs. So in total, Salesforce Marketing Cloud has 5 certifications starting from $75 and going up to $200 each. Now, let's talk about the pathways, because in the order, we have to take the certification that actually matters. At the top, we have the foundation. This is the optional but great starting point if you are completely new. From there, the path splits into 2 tracks. The left is the developer track, and right is the consultant track. Let's concentrate on the left track. You start with the email specialist, and once you have that, you can go for the developer certification. Because in the email specialist, we do not have the AMP script or other things, but in developer, we have AMP script, SSJS, and APIs. Then we have another track which is on the right side, the consultant track. You start with the admin, right? And once you have the admin, you unlock this consultant certification. These 2 tracks are independent. You can do both at once, right? Or you can start with the developer track and then jump to the consultant track. It depends totally on you, right? And now the question is, which track I should choose. I'll answer that in the few next slides. But first, let me go deeper into each certification. One by one, we are going to discuss all the certifications. Now, the first certification is foundation certification. These are entry level certification. It costs around $75, recommended for the people who have 0 to 6 months of experience. No prerequisite required for this particular certification. The exam test your understanding of basic Salesforce platform and how Marketing Cloud fit into the Salesforce ecosystem. The foundation concepts around Email Studio, Journey Builder, and Automation Studio. You will not expected to build everything. This pure conceptual knowledge. It designed for someone who has started learning Salesforce Marketing Cloud and want a credential to show in the resume. My honest Rizex tip on this one is, if you have the zero knowledge in the Salesforce or Salesforce Marketing Cloud, start with the foundation. The $75 cost make is very, very low risky and affordable, right? Before you have the confidence for the bigger exam or bigger certification. But if you already have some IT knowledge or experience in the marketing technology, or let's say some experience around the Salesforce, I would suggest to skip the foundation certification. Going directly to email specialist is my suggestion for you. The foundation certification alone will not get you hired, but it is for just a confidence building. Next certification we have is the email specialist. The most important certification in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud engagement is email specialist. It is a mid-level certification, cost around $200, recommended for the experience for the people who have experience around 6 months to 2 years, right? With no prerequisite, you can just apply for the SFMC email specialist certification. The exam tests your knowledge of the email design and HTML, CSS basics for the email templates, AMP script for dynamic personalization content, subscriber data management and list segmentation, email deliverability and inbox placement best practices, and automation studio for triggered and scheduled send. Now, why this is most important certification? Because if you search for Salesforce Marketing Cloud job on the Naukri or LinkedIn right now, in the cities like Pune, Bangalore, or Hyderabad, you will find almost every single job posting mentioned email specialist certification. It is a baseline credential that employer is looking for. And from the pathway perspective, the certification is the gateway for developer certification, which is one of the highest paying job in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? So my tip is, if you only do one certification right now, make this one, means make try to do email specialist. If you have the plan to do the certification and you do not have any certification and you wanted to hit the market, try just email specialist certification. It is the best return on investment in the SFMC certification track. Then after that, we have marketing cloud admin and marketing cloud engagement consultant certification. Okay, now let's look into the admin track. This is a certification. This is a admin certification, right? The exam focuses on the setup and the configuration side of the SFMC. Things like user roles and permissions, data extension and data management, business unit configuration, and sender authentication and deliverability settings. Right. This is the syllabus for the particular SFMC engagement certification. This certification is for the people who are moving into the implementation role, typically at the Salesforce consulting partner or the companies that are deploying Salesforce Marketing Cloud for the clients. No prerequisite needed for the admin track as well. Now, the fourth certification is consultant certification. Uh, you can take this exam without admin certification as well, right? Salesforce will verify this. Means you cannot take this exam without admin, right? You have to just do first SFMC engagement admin, and then you need to apply for the consultant. Salesforce will cross check that, right? And then will allow you for the exam. The consultant exam goes deeper into the solution designing. Things like designing multi-channel campaigns, architect, gathering with the client requirement, integrating marketing cloud, right, sales cloud, service cloud, and advanced journey builder strategies, right, is the syllabus for the particular SFMC consultant certification. And this is the senior level certification. In my experience, it produced the bigger salary jump in the Indian SFMC job market. We will talk exactly the number after a couple of seconds, but this is a good certification to have if you already have the SFMC engagement admin certification. Then we have the most important developer certification, Marketing Cloud Engagement Developer. This is the most technical certification in our list. It is a senior level certification. It costs around $200, right? Recommended experience is 3 to 5 years, and we must have the email specialist certification before going to the Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer certification, right? The developer exam test the advanced AMP script for the dynamic content generation, server side JavaScript, also called as SHJS, SQL queries, data extension, building custom landing pages, cloud page, REST and SOAP API integration with SFMC, Salesforce Marketing Cloud Connect for integrating the core Salesforce platform, and Mobile Studio Connect, right? Then push notification configuration. This certification is for the people who wanted to build the more technical stuff into Salesforce Marketing Cloud, not just a configuration. If you enjoy coding and want to work as the technical architect or Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer, this certification is for you. My tip is developer with this certification in India are nearly earning 12 lakhs to 22 LPA, depending on experience and the company. It is one of the most highest paying individual certification in the entire Salesforce ecosystem, not just a marketing cloud. Apart from this, there is no architect certification in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. If you have all the four certification, right, then you can define yourself as the Salesforce Marketing Cloud architect. Now, The section everyone is waiting for is salary expectation in India. Let me be very clear with this number based on the current Naukri and LinkedIn India jobs listing uh, and the various portals I study, right? And the particular I collected the entire data, right? So without SFMC certification, if you are looking for the job, companies might pay you 3 to 5 lakhs for the marketing technology role. Okay. With the foundation certification, right, the same guy will can earn nearly 4 to 7 lakhs. So it is a small gem, but I say certification alone is not enough, right? Then if you have the email specialist certification, then 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs rupees you can earn. This is where the market starts to it takes you seriously. You have at least one certification, and that certification is also the email specialist certification. So you can expect that amount. With the email specialist certification, you can earn nearly 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs, right? And this figure is average salary. I have collected the average salary. Then if you have the admin certification, then you can earn 8 to 12 lakhs, right? If you have admin certification, you are into the mid salary range. With the consultant certification, you can earn nearly 12 to 18 LPA. This is the significant jump and reflect the demand for the solution designers in the market. Then we have the developer certification. With the developer certification, you can earn up to 12 to 22 lakhs. The wide range here is because senior SFMC developers with 3 or more years of experience are genuinely rare and companies pay premium for them. So if your goal is high salary, then developer and consultant paths are one to focus, but both require the base certifications. Both have the prerequisites, so you need to at least have the two Salesforce Marketing Cloud certification to get nearly 22 lakhs to, let's say, 30 lakhs salary. Okay. Now, next, which certification should you start with? All right. So which let me break down this question depending on who you are. If you are a complete beginner and with no experience, no IT background, start with the foundation, then move to email specialist and build your knowledge layer by layer. If you are into IT and you are an IT professional making the career switches to the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, skip the foundation entirely, go directly with email specialist. You have enough technical context to handle it, right? If you are already working in the marketing or digital marketing domain, the admin to consultant track is best path for you. Your domain knowledge is huge advantage, and the consultant certification rewards that kind of business understanding. And if you are or if you have the developer related technical background, email specialist followed by the developer path, you will find technical concept familiar and you can move to the track faster than most of the people does. There is no single right answer for this question, but there is definitely a right answer for your specific background. Pick your path aligned to where you are today and where you want to be in the 12 months. All right, that's the complete picture around the all five Salesforce Marketing Cloud tracks, certification track. To summarize quickly, these are the five certifications: foundation, email specialist, admin, consultant, developer. They follow two parallel tracks. Email specialist and admin are the two track, right? The entry points are email specialist and admin, followed by the developer and consultant certification, offers the higher salary growth. Now, if you wanted to go beyond just knowing the theory, if you wanted hands-on training where you actually work inside the Salesforce Marketing Cloud or build real campaigns, prepare for the exam with the mock test, getting placed into IT company, and do actual work, actual projects, then check out Rizex Labs. We have trained around 3,000 plus students. We have 250 plus hiring partners, and our Salesforce Marketing Cloud program handles one-on-one doubt clearing session along with the placement support as well. Right? We also help you to build resume and LinkedIn optimization for your profile. The link is given in the description. You can also WhatsApp us directly. I have added the WhatsApp number on the screen in the bottom, and I'll see you in the next video about the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. If you like the video, then like it, share it to the people who want the similar knowledge. And if you like our content, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.